Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, November 16, 2021. It is 12:59 and 18 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, tau proteins. So let's hop to it here. Researchers discovered new insights about tau proteins in people living with ALS. Date November 15, 2021. Source, Massachusetts General Hospital. Investigators found elevated levels of tau in a phosphorylated form of tau protein in brain tissue from deceased people who had amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, and carried a mutation in the C9orf72 gene. The team also identified new genetic mutations in the tau gene that may exacerbate ALS onset or progression, and tau in the cerebral spinal fluid may be a viable biomarker for ALS because levels correlate with disease progression. And this study focused on tau, a protein that is critical for stabilizing the structure of nerve cells. It has been implicated in Alzheimer's disease, and whether it plays a role in ALS pathogenesis as it can form aggregates that lead to cellular dysfunction in a number of neurodegenerative disorders. Using post-mortem brain samples from people with ALS, the researchers discovered that tau and one of the phosphorylated forms are increased in the brains of patients whose cells carry a mutation in the C9orf72 gene that was linked to ALS and dementia 10 years ago. Researchers also identified new genetic mutations in the tau gene that are specific to ALS and may have functional consequences that may exacerbate disease onset or progression. And to determine if tau protein is a viable biomarker for ALS, the team measured tau in its phosphorylated form in cerebral spinal fluid from people living with ALS. The investigators demonstrated that increases in these particular forms of tau protein in patients cerebral spinal fluid correlated with disease progression. Therefore, tau levels, and specifically the ratio between tau and the phosphorylated form of tau protein, might help clinicians predict patients' rate of disease progression. And these findings are exciting, as there is an unmet and urgent need for disease biomarkers in ALS. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.